Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to 7x minus 8. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 7 ds dv, we have e to the power of s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v, so we have number 7, and we have the integration e to the power of s ds. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.